Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are continuing answering questions that are coming from the topic linear programming. So this is our question. Our question reads, a region A is defined by the following inequalities. Y is less than or equal to x, y is greater than or equal to 0, and y plus x is less than or equal to 4. So show this region A by shading the unwanted region on the diagram below. So we need to show region A on this diagram by shading the unwanted region. So take note of this information. You need to shade the unwanted region, the region that is not wanted. So we have our inequalities. The first inequality, we have y is less than or equal to x. Okay, this is our first one. Then we also have our second one, which is y is greater than or equal to what? 0. Then we have our third inequality, which is y plus x is less than or equal to 4. So these are the three inequalities that we have. So we are going to start with the y less than or equal to x. So y less than or equal to x, we are looking at the equation which is y equal to x. So y equal to x, this is a line that passes through the coordinate 0, 0. So this line is going to pass right here. This is the line y is equal to x. Now they are saying we have the inequality y is less than or equal to x. Y is less than or equal to x. So y is less than or equal to x. We are talking about which region? Okay, so we know that the upper region is greater, the lower region is less. Okay, so when you talk of y less than or equal to x, we are talking about the lower region. Now the question is saying we need to shade the unwanted region. So the unwanted region in this case, we are going to shade up like this. Okay, we are going to shade up like this. And I've drawn this solid line because it's saying less than or equal to, because of the equal to. Okay, then we need to go to our second inequality. Y is greater than or equal to 0. So y is greater than or equal to 0. So first of all, we need to identify the line y is equal to 0. So the line y is equal to 0, it's the x-axis. Okay, this is the line. Okay, this is the line where we have y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Now the inequality they have given us is that y is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so when you have this one, the upper region is greater, the lower region is less. So y is greater or equal to 0, we are talking about the upper region. Okay, so we are going to shade the unwanted region, which is the lower region, which is less. We shade this lower region like this. I hope it's clear. This is the region we are going to shade. Now we are remaining with our last inequality, which is y plus x less than or equal to 4. So this one, as the equation, we have y plus x is equal to 4. So for this one, you can draw a table of values, or you can just let's just draw a table of values. So this table of values, we can say we can draw our table of values like this. Okay, so just 2 points are enough. So here we have x, here we have y. Okay, so if x is equal to 0, what will be the value of y? So we will substitute where we have x, we put a 0. Y plus 0 is equal to 4. So the value of y will be equal to a 4. So y will be equal to a 4. Now, what if x is equal to 1? What will be the value of y? So we are going to do the same. We will substitute where I will say y plus 1 is equal to 4. So this one will go where 4 is. we are going to have y is equal to 4 minus 1. So y is equal to a 3. So if x is equal to 1, 1 will be a 3. So these are coordinates. We have 0, 4. We also have 1, 3. So you can try to plot these coordinates. So 0, 4. 0, 4 in the x-axis. 0, 4. 4 is right here on this point. Okay, this is where we have f4. Then we need to plot 1, 3. So in the x-axis, our 1 is right here. Then in the y-axis, our 3 is right here. So we have these 2 points. So just connect these 2 points. Okay. See, I'm not accurate in terms of the drawing. This is the line y plus x equal to 4. Now, the question is saying we need to describe or shade, we need to describe the unwanted region. So, since we are using the inequality, less than, okay, less than. So, the upper region is greater, the lower region is less. So, the lower region is the wanted region. So, we are going to describe the unwanted region, which is the upper region, which is greater. So, this is what the region we are going to do what? To shade. So, we need now to show clearly region what? Region A. So, where is our region A going to be? Okay. So, our region A is going to be right here. You can see we have this side shaded, this side shaded, this side shaded. So, this is our answer. So, we've come to the end of our session. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.